When building in the NIA universe, it's possible to set objects to move. In order to make an object move, you're going to give it the create trigger and the move command, and then you are going to give it numbers along the X, Y, and Z axis. So we'll duplicate this object, which is a speaker, move it out toward me. And then this bouncing shrub, you can catch it, you can get create, move, and the numbers for the distances, and copy them into your speaker. The loop command at the end of it means that it's going to continuously make this movement. When you close out of the object properties box, your speaker will begin to move.